What's good, y'all? It's your boy John. I'm back here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Today is September 8th, and it's Wednesday. I'm here for another Raptor update. So arriving on site, it looks like pretty much a rebar jungle, honestly. I'll give you an overlook at the whole site, but yeah, there is rebar sticking up everywhere. Titan's Pizza, still here. I'll go check over there to see if they've poured in some of those, if I can tell. I'm sure they have already, but hard to tell from here. And yeah, just over here, look how much rebar there is. There's like tons and tons of rebar in this area. We're gonna also go over there too, because I see some stuff off in the distance. It looks like a foundation, but it's hard to tell from here in the sun. Here's a quick overlook from over here. Here's an overlook at the whole site from over at the Batman entrance to the queue. It's hard to tell if anything significant has changed from here. Yeah, but I'm sure it has, and they did, well, I could tell that they dug a hole right here. I'm not sure what that's for, but that's the only thing new that I notice in the area, unless they poured in some of these footers, rebar. But it's hard to tell. So as we arrive over here, we'll get a wide angle of everything. But you'll see that they got a ton of pile caps unveiled now, as well as some bigger foundations in the background that I'll try and get a better look at from another angle, but you can see them from here. Let's move over to the next angle and see if we could get a better look. So here's an overlook at the site from here, as well as a better look at that bigger foundation that I was talking about from the other angle. Seems like they got a couple more of these set up already over here and one over here. I'm not sure if they poured in the first halves of them yet. I believe they did. I mean, not the first half, the second parts of them yet. I believe they poured in the second parts already, but they're just waiting to finish those ones off, because I can't see any concrete to the top. But this one is complete and it's looking really good. Over here by Riddler's exit, I noticed that they got another big foundation done, and this one actually has 2 anchor points in it. This is most likely for part of the lift hill section or towards the bottom of the drop section. I'm not sure, to be honest. For right now, I'll have to get home and take a look, but if anybody knows in the comments, you might want to chime in. But yeah, it's looking good. Another big one done and unveiled over here. Everything is coming together. So that queue I was talking about the other week, they've come a far way with it. Looks like it's all complete, and they got 2 sets of switchbacks along with chains in between, so they could probably make one long switchback. Everything looks good, and it's probably going to help this place a lot with ordering. So just an update on Superman. It is open to the public. It is only open actually now on the front side, forwards facing side. And yeah, when I was in there earlier, I noticed that they'd taken all the restraints off the backwards side. So they might be getting ready to refurbish that side. That's what it seems. So stay tuned. I'll try and get some more information. Gonna stop in and take a quick ride on Superman forwards. Here's a quick look at the backwards facing train with the restraints removed. So while I'm walking by, I wanted to give a quick update on Tatsu. It has been testing all week and actually this weekend as well. So looks like they're gonna try and get it open by Fright Fest, and which starts actually this weekend, I think on Saturday. So that's going to conclude it for today's update. Might be at the park later this week, so stay tuned. If there's anything significant, I will be sure to cover it. And also, on another note, the reason I'm filming, Hurricane Harbor is because if you guys saw today, they put up a construction fence inside around Tiki Towers slides. So it looks like those might be getting removed. If anyone has any info on that, feel free to chime in the comments. Let us know. But hopefully Hurricane Harbor is getting a new addition sometime soon in the near future. Thanks for tuning in as always. Make sure to tune in later this week if there's an update, or next week on Monday I'll be back to the normal schedule. So make sure to tune in then. And until then, this has been John, and this has been your theme park ERT.